Hello, kids! How are you all? I hope you all are in good health. I am coming from the Milky Way galaxy. I live in the Milky Way galaxy itself. Where do you live? I live in house. House? What is it? Yes, a house. A house is a place that gives us shelter. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, wild animals, thieves, and storms. The house in which we live with our family is called a home. House? It's very interesting. Can you explain it elaborately? Okay, okay, I will tell you. When you visit your friends, relatives, or neighbors, do you find that they have the same type of houses as you have? No. People live in different types of houses. Houses can be of different shapes, sizes, and also be made up of different materials. So, what are the materials used for building houses normally? Let me see. House. We all need a house to live in. A house is our basic need. Houses are made of wood, bricks, cement, limestone, iron, stone, and glass. Doors are made of woods, plastic. Windows are made of plastic, wood, steel, and glass. Roof and walls are made of limestone, steel, bricks, and cement. This type of houses are very strong and is called Paka house. We must keep our house and its surrounding clean from garbage. Paka houses are strong houses. They are made up of wood, bricks, cement, iron rods, and steel. Multi-storied building, bungalows, tile house, or Paka house. Some houses are made up of mud, hay, bamboo, and leaves. This type of houses are called as hut or kacha house. A kacha house is made fast but not very strong. Kacha houses very small in size and single floored. Children, now we will see the various types of houses. What kind of houses are there in the plains? It can be of many types. If we see the roof, it can be flat or sloping roof. Oh, I see. Why don't we find the same types of houses in all places? We don't find the same types of houses in all places because houses are made according to the climatic condition of a particular place. Look this snowfall region. Can we have flat roof houses in the places of heavy snowfall? No. The snow gets collected on the rooftop. It will be very difficult to remove the snow, hence the houses have sloping or slanting roof, so that the snow can slide off easily. In a place called Manali, which is a hilly region, you could find heavy rain and snows as well. Here, the houses are made of stone or wood. What kind of houses should be there where it rains a lot? Firstly, we can't have flat roof as the rainwater will collect and damage the roof. So, we should have sloping roof. Secondly, if the house is on the ground, the water will enter the house and all the roofs filled with water. So, here the houses are made few feet above the ground. Now the water won't enter into the house. Hence, the areas when there rains lot, the houses are built on stilt and have slanting roof. In Assam, it rains heavily. Here, the houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground. They are made on strong bamboo pillars. The insides of their houses are also made of wood. Can we move these houses? No. Some can't be moved from one place to another, and these houses are called permanent houses. Some people moving from one place to another either due to scarcity of food and water, or due to extreme climate, or due to work. Children, is it possible to carry their houses along with them? No. So, they use temporary houses. Let us see. People use bus or van, turn it into the moving house. These are called caravan. Another type of temporary house is tent. These are lightweight as they are made of nylon fabric. These can be fixed to the ground in anywhere. While camping, people use this kind of tent house. Do you know, kids? One more temporary house is there. Instead of road, it moves in water. Yes, it is houseboat. As the name shows, houseboat is a house built on a boat. These kinds of boats are found in Kashmir. These have all the facilities which can be found in any house. Igloo. This is a snow house. We can see this kind of house in snowy area. It is usually dome-shaped house. In very cold areas, people who live here are called Eskimos. It doesn't matter whether houses big or small, paka or kacha, permanent or temporary. The important thing is it gives us shelter and safety. Houses are of different types. All are for us shelter and safety. It was very interesting. Thank you so much. Bye. Summary of this lesson. Purpose of houses and materials used to build houses: Paka house, bungalow, multi-storied building, tiled house. Kacha house, hut, house in snow area. Houses in hilly and rainfall area, permanent houses, temporary houses, caravan, tent, boathouse, igloo.